Good morning, Mr. and Mrs. Croden. Here's a quick run through of your caravan. Hopefully you'll receive this before you hand over. So when you come into the caravan, you've got your main power, as you can see. All the power comes on inside the caravan. You've got your awning light, internal lights and roof lights, and you've got your water pump. So to fill the system, you open all the hot water taps, connect your aqua on the outside of the van and press the water pump on. Okay, so with just there on the panel, so the water pump's the bottom left hand side. To run your heating, you press the middle button. So what we do is press the middle button. The first one here, the first icon you can see, is the room temperature. So you hit the middle button, and you'll turn the temperature to where you require it to be. Come back. Next one across that's flashing is the water temperature. So you've got eco, hot and boost. So obviously the boost is for when you shower. On this one here, you can select the power supply you're using inside the caravan. So at the moment we're on electric 2. We want to be on electric 1 for on site here. But you've got gas, mix 1 which is gas and electric, mix 2 which is gas and electric 2000 watts, electric 1 1000 watts of power, and electric 2 2000 watts of power. On the end, you can select your fan speed, vent, and then select your fan speed up to 10. So that's as simple as that for your control panel for your heating and hot water. The fridge, very easy to use, power on. At the moment it's trying to ignite on gas. When it fails to ignite on gas, this symbol here will flash, and so will the warning triangle on this end. You've got mains power, where you control the temperature of the fridge on this button here, the same as on gas. And then you've got your 12 volts for when you are towing the caravan, so you can use the fridge as a cool box. Underneath the seat, we have our water system, as you can see. So the valve just here is the drain down valve. So at the moment the system is completely drained. When I flick this switch down, it'll enable me to fill the water system on board the caravan. Down the side you've got your 3-way charging system and your mains control unit. And your water tank itself is just in that corner. In the back of the caravan, microwave self-explanatory, as most microwaves are. Cooker works the same as your household cooker, the only difference being to use the hob at the oven and the grill. You will need to have the hob lid open. Sorry. Coming into the back of the caravan, you've got your toilet system, which is an electric flush. And then you've got your grey waste flap at the bottom, so the waste goes down into the tank. That's just a quick overview of the inside of your caravan. All the lights are individually switched as you go around, as you can see. But that's just a quick overview of your caravan. Hope this video has been of some help. If you get any problems at all, please do give us a call on 01933 682 888. Thank you very much. Bye bye.